Light here. Thanks for joining me today. Just bringing you a quick video. Today I decided to install some wheel hubs. These are the wheel hubs that everybody's been saying that should have came on your Ryker. So basically what I did, I went and ordered some wheel hubs, and as you see in this picture, I am attempting to install them. Basically I am standing over the outside of the wheel, and you kind of fit it over, but there's a button that you need to push to get it to sit in there really well. So once you get that button pushed in, and you can use like a flathead screwdriver to do it, it should fit nicely. So I'm just checking to make sure it's secure, seeing if I can turn it. I can't rotate it, so it's in there pretty good, but I did observe that it does slide to the left and the right. And so I'm not sure exactly why it does that, but it's not coming out unless I take a screwdriver and stick it through that hole to push it out. But that's where I'm pointing, and you see that little nub that you get on your wheel cap should fit in that circle. It was a very easy install. I think the whole thing probably took 5 minutes or less. Now we're going to switch to the other side here and pretty much do exactly the same thing. If you observe, you see the wheel hub, and those were the circles I was talking about, little nubbies on that hub cap cover, and that is what fits in the hole. Again, pretty much rinse and repeat. I'm standing over the wheel because that worked the best for me. It was easier to do than trying to lay on the ground in front of the Ryker and push those things in. But what I'm trying to do is get that little circle that's on the plastic wheel hub to fit inside the circle on the Ryker wheel. You notice I also cleaned out the inside of the wheel. It has some oil and grease there, and I usually spray that WD-40 in there to keep it from rusting, but I made sure that was clean before I put the wheel hub up there. It will take some force to push that in, but once you do the first one and when you go to the second one, it is really easy to get installed. I know this may not have been the perfect angle, but this is the angle I had to work with. So let me zoom in, and you can see how that little nub fits right there in the wheel circle. I don't know the correct name for it, but it works. And this one too had some play left and right, but it's in there, and I can't rotate it like counterclockwise or clockwise. It'll just go back and forth. So I guess it needs to have a little room with all the vibration and things like that. What you see here is the actual part number that I ordered from Adept Power Sports. The item number for the cap hub, that is the official name, cap hub. The number is 705-402-677. I will leave a link in the description box if you decide to order them for your Can-AM Ryker. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I really appreciate you. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next time, see you soon. Bye.